My thesis research is focused on understanding plasmon-driven reactions. So plasmonic materials are typically gold or silver nanoparticles, and they have really cool interactions with light. So these nanoparticles are really good at collecting a lot of light, and then they can use that light to drive chemical reactions. Currently, 35% of energy use in the United States goes towards driving industrial chemical reactions, and there are a lot of fossil fuels and natural gases that are used to drive these reactions. So the big picture purpose of my work is that we want to use sunlight to drive these reactions rather than using harmful fossil fuels or chemicals. My favorite part of my research is getting to work with lasers every day. So I work on optics tables, which they're basically a full table that has a bunch of mirrors on them, and then every day when I go to set up my experiment, I get to align all of the mirrors to my sample. So I grew up in rural South Dakota in a town called Vermilion. It's such a small town that there are more cows there than there are people. And then I decided to come to the University of Minnesota for grad school because of the research that was happening here. So there were so many groups that were doing fantastic research, very cutting edge research. And then I also chose the University of Minnesota because the graduate school and the community of graduate students was so great. So there was a huge emphasis on mental health and prioritizing your well-being, and I really appreciated that.